Mr. Mayo David said that yes, it's your right, but Mekuna they try rent house and stop living inside bush, using cows to destroying people farm around the country. Thank you for the good advice, Mr. Mayo. I am a Fulani by tribe with this kind of understanding, let me tell you. In my understanding, 70% of the villagers, they have no business that they are surviving with their family but farming. The same thing we Fulanis. 80% we have no business that we are surviving with our family but following the cows. That's only our business. So I can't use my own to spoil the others. Impossible. But I believe in every society we have a good and a bad. So the bad are always spoiling the others, I know. We are all human beings with a different understanding, different habit. To tackle this issue, you guys, we have to be united, not to be fighting each other. Let's be united and stop fighting each other to tackle the issue. That's only the way that we have to follow.
Thank you. MashaAllah. He said that their tradition is following the cows. And he said again, he can't use his own to spoil another person's own. He said that they know there are some criminals that have joined them. There are some criminals that are there to disrupt things. And you understand? And he is pleading for unity. You see, this is a good Muslim, Fulani herdsman, you know, but because of lack of law and the order, a lot of bad people has mixed and hide under the Fulani's business, trying to destroy it, trying to blackmail them. Because he told you that some villages, 70% of some villages survive by farming. But the Fulani's herdsmen, they survive by following the cows. So that is the reason why I am not calling Abuja. This is not a case of Abuja. This is a case of local government chairman, House of Representatives, senators, and the governors of every state. That you must enact law, because this is lack of law and the order that has made this thing to be a den of kidnappers, a den of people that are blackmailing the Fulani business, Fulani herdsman business. Because this is a very good Muslim. I'd watch his video and he always coming out, talking, speaking out for the goodness that flows in their system. You understand? So guys, cow is a good thing. And no village, no state can survive without getting nama meat. You people must look into using all these bushes that the kidnappers then use it and build ranch. What will it take to build ranch? Ranch means you fence it, you barricade it, you open water, you put toilet system and leave them there. Leave anybody that want to walk in animal, want to trade animal in your state must have a ranch, must have a dwelling place. That dwelling place will not be owned by them. It will be owned by government. And these people will be paying the rent to government. If the villagers does not want to sell their land, the government can lease the land 50 years, 60 years, 70 years from the villagers. Guys, this case is a small case. If you guys can see that, like he's pleading, that people should sit down and look into it. Looking into it is all about you finding solution. And by the time you build this ranch, you put a law, we don't want to see animal by the roadside. Then you will be able to fish these bad elements out. Thank you, my brother, for this video. May Allah bless you as we keep talking about it. Thanks to social media.